Hi there. I've got a 99 Vulcan that I put a Kuryakyn Hypercharger intake system on it, and it developed a rattle when operating at a certain RPM, upshifting, downshifting. There was an annoying rattle. And I Googled it and I found some suggestions and stuff. And so I found a pretty cheap fix for this rattle. If you notice this little white thing right here, it's a zip tie that I pushed in along the throttle butterfly shaft, and what it does is keeping it more stable in the middle there, and it eliminated that rattle. So it was a pretty cheap fix. I've got about 100 miles on it now, and it stays right there. I don't know how it does it, but it does it. And I'll demonstrate it here. I should have took a video before, and then you would have noticed a rattle, you would have heard it. But I don't know, give it a try if anybody has that issue. Thanks for watching.